Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, OMG, we have very special shopping episode. We are going back to one of my favorite brand, Coach. So we are going to check out very beautiful bag from this very beautiful luxury store. So guys, if I could find the links and product codes to the bags that we are going to showcase for today, I'm going to put everything on the description box below. So I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Oh wow, so now we have the very beautiful Coach Pillow Tabby. We have the two sizes. We have the 26 and we have the 18 if I'm not mistaken. Here I'm trying the Coach Pillow Tabby 26. Price is 48k. I love the ombre color of this one. She really looks so cute and so beautiful. This is the first time that I'm seeing and trying the size 26. The first time that I've tried is, I believe, is the size 18. What do you think of this one, guys? So I'm sure everyone is already familiar. It comes with two straps. It comes with the long shoulder strap and it comes with the very beautiful puffy top handle as well. I love the ombre color of this tabby bag. It really is so soft like pillow. How beautiful. It's just a little bit expensive here in the Philippines compared purchasing it in the US. So as we could see here, it is very spacious. Love the compartment details inside. Here we have another Coach Pillow Tabby for 48k. So this one comes in the like a mint green color. Again, trying it on, loving that this is on a lighter shade. What do you think? Trying on the smaller version for 45k. So this is the Pillow Tabby 20. So correct me if I'm wrong, guys, on the comment section below. So how beautiful are these Coach bags? So we have here, I love the top handle detail. You know me, guys, I love a good top handle bag. Just a few mod shots for everyone who's interested. So I stand around 5'5". So again, this is the size 20, the smaller of the very cute Pillow Tabby bags. Alright, so let us check out more beautiful Coach bags. So guys, I am crushing on the Coach version of the Louis Vuitton Alma. What do you think? Later we are going to try more. So we have here the Rogue bag in very beautiful monogram. We have a very beautiful top handle. I love this, again, the Alma detail here. Then we have, if I'm not mistaken, the Rogue bag version. Next, we have the Coach Studio bag. So we have here in the stud detail and we have in plain. Loving the stud detail on this one, making this bag a little bit edgy. Then we have the very beautiful mini tote bags. This one, guys, super cute. Later we are going to try it on. So I'm trying on again the smaller version, the Pillow Tabby for 45k. So just look at the very beautiful ombre detail. What do you think of this colorway, guys? Next is we have the Coach Pillow Madison. I believe the size of this one is the size 18. So as you could see, you could wear it as a shoulder bag and as a long crossbody bag. Guys, what do you think of this very beautiful bag, 43.5? This is the Coach's version of the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. I love the colorway of this one. I love the detachable strap and I love the charms that it comes with. The brush tone gold hardware is also very beautiful. Here we have again the very cute mini tote bag from Coach. So we have more beautiful eye candies for you guys. This is like a Louis Vuitton Speedies. So I'm trying the very small one for 43,500. It can be comparable, if I'm not mistaken, with the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20, or maybe the older version of the Nano Speedy. What do you think of the colorway, guys? So here again, it comes with the detachable longer strap. You could wear it as a long shoulder bag and as a crossbody. So here is a mugshot for anyone who's interested. Trying on this very cute mini tote bag for 26,500. Just look at the size comparison. It's the same size with my Petit sack Plat, although the Coach's version is a little bit more wider on the depth versus my Louis Vuitton Petit sack Plat. So Yen is trying this very cute speedy version of Coach. This is the first time that I'm seeing this very beautiful bag for 33,500. If you are interested, the name of this bag is the Willow saddle bag. It reminds me of the Dior Bobby. What do you think, guys? Really obsessing on the Coach pillows. Again, the bigger size is 48K, and then of course the smaller size is 45K. So unfortunately, the prices are a little bit more higher compared to if you're going to purchase these in the US. So we have here more beautiful bags. Loving this tote for 34,500 in the Coach monogram canvas with leather trimming or details.
For every day, actually can be for work.
I believe this is a good everyday bag. Definitely it would be a yes for me. So we have here the very famous studio bag of Coach. So we have the pillow version and we have the regular version. And we have, of course, the croc and paws. Honestly, guys, I've tried this before and they are really beautiful. It reminds me also of the Celine Triomphe bag. Then we have the soft tabbies over here. So if you are a fan or a collector of limited edition bags, definitely you should get these from Coach. We have again the Willow saddle bag, so it comes in the leather and it comes with the Coach multicolored monogram version. We have here the very beautiful Coach Road bag. Another version over here. We have Coach backpack over here. Price is 43,500 with Coach monogram canvas with leather trimming. So same price with these two backpacks here for 43,500.
There, did you enjoy our shopping episode for today? I really love Coach. How about you guys? Are you planning to add any Coach bag to your wish list anytime soon? I would love to hear from you, so kindly comment down below what are these bags that you like from our shopping episode for today. So again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @premiere52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!